chipped nail polish, expensive coffee, red brick, chapped lips, new songs, old grooves, the sky's blue. No money, warm hugs, knitted cardies and cracked mugs, walks to clear the mind, big puffer coats, books to pass the time, second-hand smoke. Tracing your thumb, photos on the bus, running through lines, you, me, and us. Leaves turning yellow, the warmth of my bed, blue tack on the wall. What was it you said? That I'd be in your life for forever, you think? That sounds like a long time. Unwashed bowls in the sink. I love trains.